Our reporter in the field, John Webb, has been on the street talking to people about the shocking arrest of nationally respected Garfield High principal Jefferson Pierce.
Every time a brother tries to help his people, they find a way to set him up and take him down.
It's a shame. I heard he walks around and makes the students call him Black Jesus. Imagine that, Black Jesus.
My niece went to Garfield. That girl never would have graduated if it wasn't for Principal Pierce.
Police know damn well Mr. Pierce ain't no drug dealer.
Any man who would do that could do anything.
He kept her focused and helped her get into college. She graduates from Johns Hopkins next semester.
There you have it. Shock, disbelief, and for some, disillusionment about this turn of events. John Webb reporting.
Dr. Lynn Stewart?
The feds are transferring Jefferson. Some kind of national security thing. There's nothing I can do.
National security? What are the allegations?
I've told you everything I know.
Thank you.
Your mother called. The order came to move Jefferson. We're out of time.
Okay, we go with your plan.
Anissa, I want to save your dad as much as you, but you need to understand the tech we're using is a prototype put together in half a day with parts I cannibalized from the sanctum.
And?
It's untested. It may not work.
But it might. Look, I can't lose my dad, and at this point, we're the only hope he's got.
You have to do exactly as I tell you. One misstep.
I ain't gonna be no missteps. Just walk me through it. I got this.
I have one more lawyer to interview, and I'll get back to you. Okay. Thank you.
Why can't he just Black Lightning his way out?
No, you're gonna have to learn that you can't punch or superpower your way out of every problem. I know you're scared. It's okay to be scared.
I'm not. Dad told me to be strong for you.
It's okay to be strong and scared at the same time. It's called having sense.
Well, what if we can't get him out? I mean, it does happen to people all the time, right? What if Dad never comes home? He will.
You too. Let's go.
No, not you.
Face forward.
Hey, man, I'm trying to help you. But national security directives and top secret transfer orders, you aspire or something?
What? No, I'm not.
Look, Jeff, we're friends. We don't tell each other everything. But if you know of any reason this is going down, now is the time.
I really don't know.
Yeah, I'm still gonna help you. I was just hoping you would make it a little easier for me.